Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to easily open your HTC 830. This operation can be helpful if you want to change the battery, or simply you want to change any parts of your phone, for example mainboard, camera, or even more. So to do this operation you have to plastic tool, and this plastic tool you need to push in the back cover here, as you see. And there we have some part of glue, so you need to be careful and take this back cover from the phone around all over frame, and we have here a glue. Voila, it's very easy to do. And now you have a battery, you can change it, but before you change you need to unscrew this old screw, black screw here, open the frame and put the new battery in. You can also have, as I said, change the camera or speaker or motherboard or even more. Anyway, I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you by next video. Hey.